Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to be opening up a full set blind box of SKULLPANDA, not gonna try to pronounce that name, dolls. This is the newest series that SKULLPANDA has released. Again, that's the name, I'll put it on the screen, not gonna try to pronounce it because I'm gonna butcher it so bad. So in this box there are 9 designs. These 9, which are Teakwood, Blossom, Pond, Lightning, Windflower, Dawn, Mist, Dew, and Amber. And these are the common 9, and then there is a secret rare. We'll see if we get that. I think the secret rare, as usual, is 1 in 72, but I'll have to fact check that. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, we'll just open this and see if we get a secret rare. So, here are our 9 boxes. This is what the box looks like. Let's see, we have the 9 here. As I learned on like the 5th box from my last video, you open it not by ripping the top open and destroying the box, but the fact that there's like a little tab right here. So, I'm improving. I swear, I'm improving. Like this, and there is a card at the bottom which I will open up in a second. So here is what the bag looks like. It's SKULLPANDA on the front. And here is the pink one. Card. Yep, here we go. Here is the Windflower card. Okay, box number 2. Let's see if I can open this one better. It's the second one. And we've got the light pink, white, orange, pink. Oh, this one's cute. This was kind of like an ombre. Yeah, it's kind of like an ombre of like light pink, and I don't know how good the color shows up a camera, but it's like light pink and yellow and kind of like an orangey cream color. It's really cute, and then she has this little skirt dress thing, which I think is absolutely adorable. And we have the card here. Well, oh, this one is in. Which one is this? Am I tweaking? Oh, wait. No, this is not the. Wait. No. Is this a secret rare? Hold on, wait, Mom. Wait, no way, no way. Hold on. Wait, wait, where's your phone? Wait, what? Wait, what? Hold on. This is not one of these. Oh my gosh. That might actually be the secret rare. Oh, it's the second one I opened up. Guys, please watch the rest of the video. So, yeah, so this is the secret rare, in case you were wondering what it looked like. Click off the video if you want, but if you want to see me unbox the rest too, even though we already have a secret rare, feel free. Oh, this means that we're not gonna get one of the other ones. Nah, that's fine. We'll just buy more. Oh, that's crazy. Okay. Third one. ASMR. And we have, oh, the brown. Okay, this one's cute. Oh, she's like all bundled. Oh, that's, this one's cute, yeah. Here's the third one. We're gonna check with the card. Yes, Amber. You know what's funny? The fact that like when we were like 5 or 6 years old, we're playing with dolls, and then we grow up, and then we kind of stop playing with dolls, and now we're back to playing with dolls. We just never grow out of dolls. It used to be American Girl dolls. They used to be all the trend, all the rage. Now it's PopMart and Labubu. The doll industry will never die. For anyone of any gender, of any age, of any interest, dolls will always be in trend. That's okay. Fourth one. I think the top is just supposed to come off. I'm not gonna try to. Okay. Oh, do not eat. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat this and I'm going to die. Okay. Here is the fourth one. Oh, this one's cute. Okay, it's the purple one. She has the oh, I love the little butterfly decor. Oh, this one's I like this ombre shade color. It's like light, like bright blue and light like lavender, and oh, that's cute. This one, which one is this? Is this the one on the cover? Okay, yeah, so okay, this is the one on the cover. And this one is lightning. All right, fifth one. Or I can open it like that. You know what, that works too. All right, fifth one. And we have, oh, this one's pretty. Oh, she looks like Ivy. Okay, so this one's kind of like a dull green color. Oh, I like this series. It's all kind of like, it's all like cute ombre and floral. I'm a big fan personally. So this is the fifth one. This is pond. Yeah, that makes sense. Pond. I wonder which one we're not gonna get. I would say, do you want to place bets? But we're already betting on a lot of things here. Fifth one. Nice. Nice. Ooh. Okay, this was like fully white, like different shades of white. Oh, these are really cute. So this is the next one that we got, and this one is Mist. This is number 7. Forget it. My box opening is getting worse. So, this is number 7. And we've got... Ooh! Okay. Okay. So these... Oh, wow. Okay, so she has this kind of like leaf dress on. And it's made out of like a... It's not paper, it's like a papery plastic feeling, but it goes all the way around. This is, wow, okay. This one is pretty intricate. So this one is, let's see which one this is. This one is teakwood. That's a very popular candle flavor as far as I'm aware. Candle flavor, candle scent. So as of right now, we are missing, Dawn, Dew, and Blossom. Okay, so Dawn, Dew, and Blossom. So we'll see out of these 2 boxes, which one of those 3 do we get? We'll leave that there. All right. Lucky number 8. Well, that's whatever. Oh, okay, yep. That box, that one was almost as bad as my first video, where I just completely destroyed the Labubu boxes. All right, number 8, and this is Blossom. This one is Blossom, right? Yes. Okay, lovely, cute, okay. Oh, she has this little like hat, this is like hat bonnet thing going on. That's adorable. Open up the box, the card. Yep, Blossom. I really like the whole little like bonnet situation she has going on. I think that's adorable. In this last one, it's gonna be either Dawn or Dew. Dawn or that's kind of fun. In here is either gonna be a blue one or a yellow one. So, last box. Drum roll, please. I shouldn't do that. It's gonna toss all the dolls and my phone around. I'm gonna brace it up everything.
Bruh.
Nice. This one's Dawn. Okay, yeah. Okay, I like the color of this one a lot. She has like a what is it called? Is this called balayage? It's like light blonde to darker blonde, and she has like this cute little yellow bow in the front. So, as you can see here, we have Dawn. Okay, awesome. Okay, so this was my Skull Panda, this series, word I'm not gonna pronounce, box opening video, unboxing video, mystery box, blind bag unboxing, whatever you call it. And we actually did end up getting the secretware on the second box that I opened, which was really awesome. This is In the Garden. This is the secretware, which is awesome because that's 1 in 72. So we would technically have to buy like 8 boxes to get this, and we got on the first one. Yeah, that's great. Probabilities are not in our favor, but we still did it. Yeah. So, but that also means that this is not the complete set. Because the way they do secret rares is that they replaced one of the box of the complete set of the 9, and then they'll take one of them out and then replace it with a secret rare. So this time around, we did not get Do, which is the blue one. But that's fine, that gives us an excuse to buy more. I'm joking. But yeah, so that was my blind box unboxing experience. I am so hyped to have gotten this mystery rare. Secret rare? Mystery rare? What is it called? I think it's secret rare. That's oh, that's awesome. But like in general, they're all like really, really adorable. Like PopMart and SKULLPANDA in particular, both me and my mom are big fans of SKULLPANDA's series. We have, when we were in China, we bought 2 of the Winter Symphony. I think that's what they're called, Winter Symphony. We bought 2 of those and we loved them so much. So when we got back here to home, we ordered more because that is the appeal of blind boxes. And the best part is that these are keychains, so we can just hang them on our bags or whatever. And then we have so many of them, so whatever color bag, whatever color outfit we have going on, every single one of them goes along, has a keychain that can go along with it. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching my YouTube video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was better than my last one. I definitely learned a lot from my last one. And stay tuned for more unboxing videos, maybe, or other content that I'm doing. Make sure to hit that subscribe, like, and notification button. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Peace out.